Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 32 of the new Mudroom project. You'll have to forgive me, I'm losing my voice a little bit. Today was about 7 hours straight of just applying joint compound or plaster to the walls. So we went about a 2.5 gallon bucket. We went through that today. Now yesterday, as you recall, we did all of our seams and then we did all of our screws. And so this morning when we got in, we did a sanding, and the homeowners, we basically, this is our one disruption until Friday, was we take over the kitchen, and they went through and then they taped all of their cabinets up and they taped over all their outlets, and that is the biggest thing you can do in order to really cut down on dust, because when you're dealing with things like that, it gets everywhere, particularly this very fine plaster dust. When you do sand, and we got 3 more sandings to go here, it just tends to get everywhere. So we did put plastic on all of the openings, and they went ahead and they taped everything up, and then that's a little bit of disruption, but that's really the only disruption we have, because as soon as we do get our coat of paint on here, or our primer, then that's it. It's going to cut down all the dust, and then it's just a matter of putting all the trim in. So we got some weather coming in tomorrow, so we're going to try to get out here and then back nice and early. So the only thing we're going to keep doing is just continuing with this. We've got 2 more layers to do, just to build up and make sure that we don't have any divots or potholes from our screws or our seams. And then, yeah, it's just working to getting this primed. And then once it's primed and seals all of the dust in, then we can start our trim work. We can take the flooring off, and we can start to see some color on the walls. So that's pretty big. So check it out tomorrow. Like I said, we got some weather, so we're going to try to get as much as we can in. We got the electricians. They're supposed to be coming in the midst of it, so we're going to contact them and see if there's a rain date or a nor'easter date for them. So thanks for checking it out. Got any questions, ask, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you all tomorrow.